Hi guys, I'm Fauzia. I'm a buyer in the accessories team. So before we begin, I would just like to take off my mask, but I assure you that I'm well distanced. And so as we all know that Westside is a great destination for apparel shopping, but today I'm here to take you all through everything that's head to toe non-apparel. So let's get going. So here I am with our range of handbags. As we all know, color blocking is a really great trend this year, and that's what we've tried to do with our range of bags as well. So here we can see we have some really lively colors like the mustard and the brick. And if pastels is your thing, then we also have options like mint bags and also a range of nude bags that go with anything and everything. As we all know that PU bags are a classic and an all-time favorite, but along with that we also have our fabric bags that can help you go to a very casual and a boho look. We also have some really cute tote bags which start at $5.99, and as you can see the prints are really cute and I would definitely go for these. My pick of the day is this grey bag. It is a compact bag and I really like the handles detailing here, and let me show you what's in this bag. So before I show you all what's in my bag, what I really love about this bag is the feature that it comes with a small pouch for all my tiny essentials. And so let's get to what's in my bag. A classic white wallet, a hand cream to keep your hands supple and soft as we always keep sanitizing our hands, a strawberry flavored lip balm to keep your lips hydrated, long wear foundation, a kajal for your regular wear, eyeliner to amp up that look. So as we know that everything is virtual in today's situation, and keyboard up dressing has been a really big trend this time. So here I am to suggest some of our picks from the accessories section. Whether it's your office meeting call or your Friday games night, you can amp up your hair accessories look with these hairbands that come in two colors. Then we also have these scrunchies with cute detailings like the frill and the bows, and clips if you feel dressy for that Friday night that you're already missing. And we also have them in metallic gold. Or if gold is or silver is not your thing, then you could also opt in for these matte colors. You can opt for these round earrings with the pearl detailing, or these simple and cute danglers in black, which would technically go with everything. And if you're an arm candy person, then we also have these set of 3 bracelets. We also have rings in different stone colors, or basic metallic gold rings with fine detailings. Along with that, we also have the scarf that you could totally use for your hair accessories. You could amp up your look by just tying the scarf. We also have neck pieces in whether your choice is gold or silver with stone detailing. Along with the stones necklaces, we also have this layered neck piece in gold. As we all know, festivities are around the corner. So we also have a really nice ethnic range that will amp up your ethnic attire. So this is my pick that I would go with a very basic suit, and you could match these, a ring and a set of 2 bangles. If silver is your pick, then we also have a nice choker-like neck piece and these earrings with pearls detailing. If colored jewelry is your thing, then we also have a great piece in fuchsia color, and you could totally rock this set as we have a pair of earrings, bangles, and also a neck piece. So I've taken you through our range of handbags and accessories. Now the only thing remaining to complete your look is our footwear. So let's head to the footwear section. So here we are to the footwear section, and let me show you some of my picks. As we all know, nudes are a big trend this year along with block heels. So this is my first pick. What I really love about this pair is the cute wooden asymmetric block heel. My second pick would be these soft pink, again with asymmetrical block heel. And my third pick would be these classic nude wooden block heels. Also, if you think you're not ready to get into your heels back, then we also have some really nice options in flats. You could totally go with these, as these are super comfortable. If you think you need a metallic touch, then this is what I would suggest. And the best part about this range is that it would totally go with your festive as well as your casual look.